Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add auto-generated captions to your videos in Clipchamp. So captions are a great way to boost your accessibility and audience engagement with any content that you create. So I have Clipchamp open here already, and I've got a short clip on my timeline with some audio attached. So if you go ahead and take a listen to it first. This is going to be a video about mountains and mountain ranges. That's the short audio that I attached to the video clip to showcase this feature. So I'm going to go ahead and rewind it back to the start. And if you look at the top right of your screen, you're going to see a captions option. If we click on this, we can click on try now. It's going to show us some options to choose which language we're going to work with. In this case, I'll be using English. So you can also filter profanity and any offensive language in the audio. I'm going to leave that unchecked for now since I don't think we'll need to utilize that feature with the audio we currently have. So I'm going to click on transcribe media, and it's going to automatically analyze and generate captions for any audio that's in your timeline. So here we go. Here's our transcript. You can also download the captions to attach it as a separate file with your video. And this is the button you'd want to click to turn it off. So if we play the video now, this is going to be a video about mountains and mountain ranges. As you can see, it automatically timed the text with whatever is being said, so it's really easy to create subtitles for any of your videos. Overall, this is a very powerful feature that most people should get familiar with. And if you ever need to adjust the timings, you can do so by turning it off again and then trying to generate a new set of captions. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.